Hi everyone. We in the Bataan right now. We parking in the same Bataan and we will walk for you in the same Bataan now. So many people waiting ATM. Starbucks, oh, full of people. Of course, Christmas tree already. Today, 1st of October. But in the Philippines already everywhere Christmas tree. So this is the same. Start working from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. What Shira? Same in Sam Clark. Shira like this Japanese restaurant. We traveling from our home in Pampanga, Mabalacat, about 1 hour. It's only 1 hour. We first use SCTX to Dinalapian, pay 201 peso. And next we drive through Roman Superhighway. It's so fast, I don't have traffic, good weather today. Bake shop. It's good. I am first time in Bataan, in the same Bataan, first time. Also another Japanese restaurant, same in the same Clark. Italian kitchen. Italian. So many pizza. Italian pizza. Mama T. Mozzarella sticks. I don't have people here. Pen shop also. Oh, so many people here. What is this? For children, maybe.
Please settle down, players. Wala na pong mapapalakad-lakad.
Let's meet. What about what? You don't know. For children, maybe. School?
Petition.
Okay. This is the same store. Another exit. Most of the shops and restaurants same in the same Clark. Kenny Rogers, also in Marquee Mall the same. Kenny Rogers, we like this. Green tea. How much here green tea? Green tea I want to buy. Community Bazaar. Perfume. Also good. 60-50 peso. It's good price. Cucumber and lemon. Oh, nice. We can walk little bit and turn here. I want to see this. Okay? So many students here. Coffee bean. I hear people so many in the weekend only. But even now, weekdays, Wednesday today, optical. Wednesday also many people now. Many students so many. Crocs. Near Jollibee, KFC, of course, so many people. Very popular in the Philippines. Fast food. Yeah, so many. Here takeout. Oh, Tokyo. And here transport terminal. Yes, this is transport terminal. Tricycles. Tricycle also have. Jeepney.
Mabilis ang oras mo.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Caramia. Cakes. Cakes, ice cream also. What is potato? Potato corner. Okay. Какаси. Avocado. What is 110 peso avocado. How much water here? I don't know, don't have. Also popular in the Philippines. Ham and cheese. 8 pieces, 359. 12. 43, 1 inch. What is also Hot Star? Savory also have Greenwich. Shaira maybe won't sleep. Won't sleep? No. Need walk, Shaira, because 1 hour we drive. We sit in the car need to little bit walk. After we walk, we can meet with our friend.
See only in SM.
But same. But I want Shaira. Can we go into the stairs? Stairs. Ah, you don't want. Need to exercise, Shaira. Need exercise. We're going to this way. I think food court upstairs. Coffee bean again. So we're going upstairs. Some people lost, you see. Yes. Барбершоп. Okay, yes. Moto. Also New Balance. I want to see how much.
Judges ready. Judges scores. Judge number 1, 9.3. Judge number 3, 9.9. Judge number 5.
Hi. Cyber Zone available here. Samsung also. Where is Shaira? I already see her. Yes, this one. So what do you think is small? SM here, small? Small. SM Pampanga? Huh?
Pampanga it's more bigger.
Bigger. ISM Clark is smaller. But it's okay, good. So you want to go to SM store? Ah, okay, CR. Okay. I want to see shoes. Here have maybe discount. Here 30% discount. New Balance. Yes, 30% discount. Okay, switch off camera and take a look. I see price the same, don't have new models. Discount is for old models only, not popular models. Shaira said she want to sing song, she want to find some karaoke. Maybe she will ask where karaoke. Price list is play. Right, 100 peso, right? Shaira, where karaoke? You want alone or what? With me? Why you? What? Because I don't know, you go off so faster. How I find you? Shaira want, if she want karaoke, she want same like she want it. Karaoke for her is, for every Filipino maybe people, karaoke important and foods. Shaira, for Philippine people important is karaoke and foods and sleep
Yes, work.
and work. Okay, okay. That's why you so.
Most important to Filipino is family.
What?
Family.
Family number one. It's okay. It's not only Filipina. Not. It's for everyone. Family is important. So we're going to find karaoke. You want to sing song because our friend now busy, and later we meet with him. No, name of the store, Fully Booked. Fully Booked. So many books. Yeah, fully booked. Yeah, I said. Full
Fully booked.
book. Yes. Okay. Oh, espresso. Same in SM Clark. Only fully booked. Not don't have in SM Clark. Maybe in Bataan people like read. Where Shaira? I don't know. Lost her again. Oh, food court. Okay. Buffalo wings. Ramen also. Look like today is weekend because many people right now. Quantum, same Quantum in SM. Shaira, don't have? Shaira, I want to food court check price, okay? We can meet with you here, okay? You can ask. Ah, this one karaoke. Ah, you don't like this karaoke. Why? Okay, food court. Okay, I will check first. What have? Okay, we can start from Margarita Cafe. Margarita Cafe and Western Plate. How much? Burgers also. Western plate. I think here a little bit cheaper than NSM. Even have coffee. Yes, cheaper than NSM, Clark. Another Takoyadon. Ramen. Free, freshly iced tea. Iced tea is free. That's good. Papa Keps. Okay. I just take a look price. It's good. The price is good. Cheaper than NSM Clark. And many people here. Yeah, so many people sit. Many students here. So many. Belgian waffles. Yeah, Belgian waffles also have. So many potato. Mozzarella bites also. Snacks.
Sir, nuts po. Sir, nuts.
Siomai. Gulaman available. Yeah, many people. Ramen also. Peppa wings. Peppa wings, chicken. Yes, food court is full. So many people. Shaira sit. Shaira tired to walk. Let's go, Shaira, Japanese restaurant. Our friend will wait us. Yeah, so many. Even now, Wednesday, but for Wednesday, so many people. But outside hot today. 34 degree right now. 34. It's so hot. Good weather. Don't have rain. I think it's first floor. Marugami restaurant, Japanese restaurant. Watson also, same store, second floor, and we're going to downstairs.